Hi everybody, Lois Threlkel, Ladies of Justice League.com, and I have an awesome opportunity to hear from Greg. And Greg is all about commercial real estate. Greg, how long have you been doing commercial real estate?
40 years.
So you know a thing or two.
I've learned a thing or two over that time, yes, in all property types.
All right. So let me ask you, what is commercial real estate?
Well, commercial real estate is really defined as anything over 1 to 4 units. So basically a 5-unit apartment building can be considered commercial real estate. And then of course it would include all the other types of buildings, for example, industrial buildings, hotels, office buildings, and shopping centers.
So have you done all of the above?
All of the above, yes I have. Several times.
Over the course of the years. And how would somebody get started in something like that?
Well, the easiest way is to get involved in maybe buying one with a partner so you can see how it works. Another way that a lot of people start is they become commercial brokers. The brokerage firms will train you, and you'll generally start out as just doing leasing perhaps, or sales. Myself, I was at Cushman & Wakefield for several years. I really learned the ins and outs of high-end commercial brokerage and real estate. So I did leasing and sales of high-end properties. And then I became an investor myself after understanding that process.
That was smart, right? That was a smart move.
Well, that was the easiest way for me to get into it full time.
Mm-hmm. And to actually become an investor?
Yes, with partners. I would go find a deal, raise the money through different investors. Usually we did added value properties, short term, like we'd buy an office building for 50% occupied. We'd get it at a good discount because of that. We'd be able to lease it up and then resell it.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So, are you working on any projects right now?
Well, right now, obviously the commercial market is a difficult market at the moment. So the easiest thing for me in today's market is to develop residential properties. Right now I'm building houses because that market has remained very strong. For example, the office market is in desperate straits right now. One company just gave away the keys to the lender for $1 billion worth of buildings in downtown Los Angeles. They just gave it to the bank and said, we can't make it work. But residential, the prices are still holding up very well. And so you can create value by building a new house. That's what we're doing now.
And let's see, how would somebody get started? Like, let's say somebody says, I think I want to build a house.
Well, the easiest way to do that is to get some money together and find somebody that would build it for you. The trick is obviously to find a lot that makes sense. There's very few empty lots, so usually it's a tear down in the Los Angeles area. And you have to figure out what a house would be worth finished and then see how much it costs to build it. And if there's a profit there, it's worth doing. I usually recommend that you at least want to see 20% profit to make it worthwhile.
All right. Do you have any suggestions for, let's say people would like to contact you, something
Sure.
like
I
that?
mean, we're always looking for people to invest with us if they'd like to get involved with one of our development deals. The returns are quite lucrative, certainly way better than you can get at a bank. And the market, as they say, is still strong. Interest rates look like they're going to go down later this year. So if we build something now, it'll be on the market next year, and it should be a good market for houses, brand new houses.
Fantastic. How would people contact you? Do you have a website or?
Well, I'm working on a website now, but they can contact me on my cell phone, 310-980 7052.
All right, Mr. Greg, thank you for your time. Do you have anything to add at all?
No, just happy to talk to anybody, even if it's another commercial property. I'm very well knowledgeable about all types of commercial, and if you've got something that's got a problem, I'd love to help you work it out.
All right. Awesome. So thank you, Greg, for your time. This is Lois Threlkel, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Please like this video and leave a comment in the comments area, and be sure to share it. Talk soon. Bye, Greg.
Bye, Lois. Thank you very much.